My channel, all things Yazz. I hope you guys are safe and well. In today's baking video, I'm going to be attempting something that I haven't made before, so this is going to be fun. And today I'm going to be attempting to make marbled Viennese swirls. Now, I've never actually tried them before. They do look really yummy. So yeah, let's see if I can pull it off. Also, let me know in the comments down below what you think of my new hair, guys. I just had it done this morning, so comment down below what you think. I actually really like it, and I can't believe how long my hair looks at the moment. It's just crazy. Anyway, on to the Viennese swirls. Right, the hair is tied back, and let's begin. So the first thing we want to do is beat together the butter, icing sugar and vanilla extract. I'm going to be using an electric hand whisk today. And yeah, let's get going. Okay, so now that looks light and fluffy to me. Give you a close-up. Okay, and now we're going to sift in the corn flour and plain flour and then combine them. Now, the recipe says to beat until just combined, so I'm pretty sure that's just combined. We're going with it. Just making sure everything is incorporated before we move on. Okay, next I'm going to split the mixture, and 50 grams of cocoa powder is going to go into 1/2, so then we can get the marbled effect. I thought it was 50 grams of cocoa powder. It's 1 tablespoon. I'm glad I realised before I mixed that in. Imagine. Okay, so next I'm going to get my piping bag. I've lined a baking tray with some parchment and stuck that down with some butter. So yeah, next thing to get my, what's it called, piping bag, I'm going to use a star nozzle, and then I'm going to create the marbled swirls. I keep saying swirls, but these are Viennese whirls. Just to correct myself, they're whirls, not swirls. Okay guys, so what I attempted to do there was try and get the chocolate on one side and the vanilla on the other side, so that it becomes like a really nice marbled effect. I'm now going to attempt to make the swirls, so I'm just going to like push it down, twisting to get it to come out the other end, and pushing. It's really stiff, that's the only thing. I'm petrified I'm not gonna be able to do it. Oh, wow, I got it right. So that's just chocolate. So I'm gonna try and do some swirls. I am tired and I've still got quite a lot to do. So what I'm going to do is pause for a minute, get another baking tray, and these are going to be my first ones. Okay, so I've got a really oblong one. I don't know if you can see it at the top. It gets really hard when it gets less mixture. So now I'm gonna pop them in the oven, which I have preheated to 190 degrees, and I'm gonna pop them in for 15 minutes. Okay guys, so my Viennese swirls, whirls, whichever one it is, are cool enough now. They look really good for a first attempt, I'm not gonna lie. I'm now gonna make the filling. So for the filling, I'm mixing butter and icing sugar, and then I'm gonna add some grated dark chocolate. I'm also gonna add a tablespoon of I'm not sure yet, of milk, just to loosen up the mixture, and then I'm going to sandwich them together. So exciting! Again, using my hand mixer. I have a feeling the icing sugar is going to go everywhere, so I may use my spatula just to combine it a little bit. Now to combine everything together and make this swirl. That icing's really nice. Okay, so I've just done my first one. I'm going to be very careful because it's crumbly. And then I'm just going to pop that together. And there's my first Viennese whirl. I think they're whirls. I think they're called whirls. I'm going to place that there. Oh, they're very crumbly. My next one's my oblong one. But yeah, let's get going. These are the finished biscuits. Let me know in the comments down below what you think. I don't think it was a bad first attempt. Definitely need to work on my piping. I will let you know what they taste like in next week's baking video. By the way, the chocolate orange from last week was insane. I had so many compliments. So if you are a lover of chocolate orange, you should try that out. I'll leave a link up above if you haven't seen that. But other than that, guys, I hope you have a wonderful Sunday afternoon. I will see you next week for another baking video. Bye for now.